Hello everyone, my name is Ikram Boras. In this video, I'm gonna talk about an optimization approach to find the optimal pricing and location of electric vehicle charging stations. This work is a part of a project funded by PGMO. In last years, many works are focused on studying the optimal energy price and the best location of charging stations. In this work, we propose a new strategic model to combine the problem of energy pricing, sizing, and location of electric vehicle charging stations, based on an hierarchical decision-making process. These three problems are studied separately in the literature. The other new thing in our model is that we consider for each user a predefined preference list based on the price or the distance between the user and the charging station, or a combination of both of them. In this problem, we suppose that the energy provider selects a set of location candidates to install charging station with a limited budget. Then, each user will choose when and where to charge, respecting his preference list. As we have two agents to make the decision, we proposed a bi-level optimization model, where the leader is the electric vehicle charging station manager, which is in charge to select the location to install charging stations and the number of charging spots in each location. Also, he defined the price at each time slot in order to maximize the profits and to smooth the demand over time. In the second level, the electric vehicle users respond to the leader by choosing the best activated charging stations in their preference lists. To solve the problem, we used the classical reformulation to a single level problem using the optimality condition of the second level problem. Then we use an ILP solver to get the exact solution. The second algorithm we proposed is an iterative cutting plane approach using a set of valid inequalities. The two algorithms are compared using a set of generated random instances. In the next slides, you can see an example of solution on an instance of 10 users with different definition of the preference lists. The first one is based on the distance, the second one is based on the cost, the last one is a combination of the cost and the distance. As a perspective, we are looking to apply our model on real instances, and we try to improve our algorithms. At the end, thank you for watching this presentation.